In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall WPS Office from your Windows computer step by step. There are many reasons you might want to remove WPS Office. Maybe you no longer use it, or you've decided to switch to a different Office suite. Either way, I'll walk you through the process. Let's get started. First, make sure WPS Office is closed. Next, click the search icon at the bottom of your screen and type Control Panel. Click on it to open it. In the top right corner, change View by to Large Icons. Now scroll down and click Programs and Features. In the top right search box, type WPS. WPS Office should appear in the list. Right-click on WPS Office, then select Uninstall/Change. If Windows shows a security or user account control message, click Yes to continue. The WPS uninstaller will now open. Click Uninstall in the bottom right corner, then confirm by clicking Uninstall Now. You'll be asked whether you plan to reinstall WPS Office. If you don't plan to reinstall it, select the option to clear the data, then click OK. Wait for the uninstallation process to finish. Once it's done, WPS Office will be completely removed from your computer, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.